Welcome to Modern Moto-Cars, your go-to source for the latest in automotive news, reviews, and trends. Today, we're diving into the exciting new lineup unveiled by Buick for 2025. With a fresh approach to design, technology, and performance, Buick is redefining its legacy and catering to the demands of modern drivers. A fresh design language. The 2025 Buick lineup showcases a refined design aesthetic. Buick's signature grille gets a sleeker, more futuristic look, while the body lines reflect a bold yet elegant stance. LED lighting technology plays a major role, with dynamic headlight designs that not only enhance visibility, but also make a statement on the road. Models like the Enclave and Encore GX now feature sportier profiles, offering a perfect blend of sophistication and athleticism. Electrification takes center stage. Buick continues its commitment to sustainability with the introduction of several electric and hybrid models. The 2025 Electra E4 and E5 are leading the charge, combining zero-emission powertrains with impressive range and quick charging capabilities. These EVs boast up to 300 miles on a single charge and innovative features like one-pedal driving and over-the-air updates, making them a top contender in the electric vehicle market. Luxury meets advanced technology. Buick remains true to its roots as a luxury brand by incorporating cutting-edge technology into its interiors. The new virtual cockpit system provides a seamless digital experience, featuring a 15-inch curved display that integrates navigation, entertainment, and driver assistance tools. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a built-in Amazon Alexa system ensure connectivity for all passengers. In addition, Buick's quiet tuning technology has been further refined, creating an ultra-quiet cabin for an unparalleled driving experience. Performance for every driver. For those who crave performance, Buick delivers with a range of turbocharged engines and enhanced chassis dynamics. The 2025 Envision GS, for instance, features a 2.0-liter turbo engine paired with an advanced all-wheel drive system, ensuring a thrilling yet controlled ride. Even the electrified models don't compromise on performance, offering instant torque and impressive acceleration. Safety, redefined. Buick's commitment to safety remains unwavering. All 2025 models come equipped with Buick Driver Confidence Plus, a suite of advanced driver assistance features including adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, and lane keeping assist. The addition of an upgraded Super Cruise system on select models allows for hands-free driving on compatible highways, pushing the boundaries of convenience and safety. A new chapter for Buick. The 2025 Buick Unveils mark a new chapter for the brand, blending innovation, luxury, and performance in a way that appeals to modern drivers. Whether you're looking for an electrified option, a luxurious interior, or a sporty driving experience, Buick's latest lineup has something for everyone. Stay tuned to Modern Moto-Cars for more updates and in-depth reviews on these exciting models. Buick is clearly setting the tone for the future, and we can't wait to see how they continue to evolve.